Okay, so I'm just wondering what dyed here, because my normal carpet color is right there, brown. But it looks like something bled all over my floor. I can even use a flashlight. There we go. That looks a little bit better. Look at all that. And it just came from one thing. It didn't come from a body or anything. But you'd think an ocean came through here. No, still not the culprit right there. Stupid nose. Yep, that's my newest one. There's your culprit. It freezes over like crazy. And you know what you do? I have a deck. And you know what you do with a refrigerator that freezes over? You go, lousy piece of shit. Alright. This one's going to be a whole lot better.